The truth wins again, and yet again, the Congress apologizes. Trinamool Congress MP Saket Gokhale, a self-styled crusader against corruption, has finally buckled under the weight of truth. His baseless accusations in 2021 against former diplomat Lakshmi Murudeshwar Puri, questioning her property purchase in Geneva, have now ended in a humiliating climb down, an unconditional public apology and a ₹50 lakh penalty. The Delhi High Court even warned of civil detention if he fails to comply. But let's be honest, this isn't just about one man's lies. This is a pattern, a Congress ecosystem playbook. Throw mud, trigger media outrage, and when the law catches up, quietly apologize. Just like Rahul Gandhi. In 2014, Rahul blamed the RSS for Mahatma Gandhi's assassination. When the matter reached the Supreme Court, Rahul backpedaled, clarifying that he did not mean RSS, just some individuals. And in 2016, who can forget his shameful comment calling the surgical strike "Khoon ki dalali"? Faced with a backlash, the same Rahul Gandhi ran for cover, issuing a hasty clarification. Then came the Rafale lie. Chaukidar Chor Hai, a slogan Rahul linked to a Supreme Court verdict. The court called it criminal contempt. Gandhi apologized yet again, calling it a heat of the moment remark. Heat of the moment or habit of lying? The list goes on. Manishankar Iyer, who called PM Modi niche, exposing the Congress party's elitist and casteist mindset. Jairam Ramesh, who slandered NSA Ajit Doval's son based on unverified reports, he too had to apologize in writing. Sanjay Singh, who falsely named a BJP worker in an attack and then embarrassingly had to retract it all. Even Digvijay Singh, a senior Congress face, was dragged to court for defamatory remarks about RSS leader MS Govalkar. And the result? Yet another apology. And remember what Rahul Gandhi once said: Gandhis don't apologize. Where facts tell a different story, they apologize not once, not twice, but repeatedly. Only after their lies fall flat. Only after courts intervene and when they are cornered. Saket Gokhale's apology is just another page in the opposition's book of deceit, a book filled with lies, slander, and U-turns. But here's the real question. How long will the people tolerate this political drama? Because India deserves leaders who speak the truth, stand by the nation, and uphold law. Not those who hide behind half-truths and courtroom apologies. This is New India, where justice prevails and propaganda fails. Enough apologies, let the truth speak louder.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.